Contemporary technology. The uses of ICT tools are rapidly increasing these days in the world. Latest and updated devices and software programs are introducing in the world. In this age of globalization, all of us must be updated with the latest technologies that are being used in the world. In Nepal, the use of ICT tools is increasing than before. People are using the latest ICT tools and software programs in our country as well. Here, we are going to discuss some of the contemporary technologies that are used these days. Cloud computing. Cloud computing means storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of storing them on secondary storage devices. The cloud is just an image for the internet. Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Cloud computing can be both public and private. Public cloud services provide their services over the internet with some charges. Private cloud services only provide services to a certain number of people. These services are a system of networks that supply hosted services. There is also a hybrid option, which combines elements of both the public and private services. Following are the services of cloud storage: email, storage, backup, and data retrieval. Creating and testing apps. Analyzing data. Audio and video streaming. Delivering software on demand. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the area of computer science focusing on creating machines that can engage on behaviors that humans consider intelligent. It refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and simulate their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that displays qualities related with a human mind, such as learning and problem solving. The applications for artificial intelligence are endless. The technology can be applied to many different sectors and industries. AI is being tested and used in the healthcare industry and different treatment in patients, and for surgical procedures in the operating room. The various application areas where AI is currently being used include game playing, speech recognition, natural language processing, computer vision, expert systems, neural networks, robotics, etc. Some of the business functions where AI is used are finance, medicine, manufacturing industry, transportation, telecommunication, aviation, etc. Virtual reality. Virtual reality, VR, is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. It is an artificial environment that is created with software and presented to the user in such a way that the user suspends belief and accepts it as a real environment. On a computer, VR is primarily experienced through two of the five senses, sight and sound. The simplest form of virtual reality is a 3D image that can be explored interactively at a personal computer, usually by manipulating keys or the mouse so that the content of the image moves in some direction or zooms in or out. This is called non-immersive VR. Virtual reality can be the simulation of a real environment for training and education and the development of an imagined environment for a game or interactive story. Virtual reality's most immediately recognizable component is the head-mounted display, HMD. Human beings are visual creatures, and display technology is often the single biggest difference between immersive virtual reality systems and traditional user interfaces. E-governance. E-governance is the integration of ICT in all the processes, with the aim of enhancing government ability to address the needs of the general public. The basic purpose of e-governance is to simplify processes for all, that is government, citizens, businesses, etc. at national, state and local levels. In short, it is the use of electronic means to promote good governance. It connotes the implementation of information technology in the government processes and functions so as to cause simple, moral, accountable and transparent governance. It entails the access and delivery of government services, dissemination of information, communication in a quick and efficient manner. E-governance can only be possible if the government is ready for it. It is not a one-day task, and so the government has to make plans and implement them before switching to it. Mobile computing. Mobile computing is a generic term that refers to a variety of devices that allow people to access data and information from wherever they are. Mobile computing transports data, voice, and video over a network via a mobile device. Mobile devices can be connected to a local area network, LAN, Wi-Fi or wireless technology by connecting via a wireless local area network, WLAN. Mobile phone services also provide mobile computing through their service plans. Mobile computing devices are portable devices capable of operating, executing, providing services and applications like a computing device. There are many benefits to mobile computing, including the ability to get directions, entertain, do business, and more, including connectivity. You can stay connected to all sources at all times. Social engagement. You can interact with a variety of users via the internet. Personalization. You can tailor your mobile computing to your individual needs.